In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG cable to iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use an OTG cable or any other device that you have compatible with an iPhone 12 mini. To start, you will have to change a specific setting. So go over to the Settings app and find the Face ID and Passcode category. When you choose this, you might have to include a PIN to continue, so make sure that you unlock the device accordingly, and once you are inside of this category, go all the way down. One of the options close to the bottom is going to be USB accessories. You need to enable this option. By enabling this, you will be able to use USB accessories when you connect it through the available port on your iPhone, so keep that in mind. By enabling this, they are always going to work without any issues. So now, all that you have to do is go ahead and grab your compatible device with the OTG cable. So an example would be a Lightning to USB-C cable. You can use anything else that you have. This is just an example to demonstrate the process. As long as the USB accessories option was toggled on, you will now be able to plug it into the respective port, and then you can use any compatible device. If you are using a pen drive, for example, you will now be able to connect it and access all of the files available on that flash drive. And you can repeat this with any other Lightning to something port that you have available. So you can plug in adapters, you can plug in flash drives, or any device that works. If you notice that the connection was not established, first make sure that the adapter that you are using is working properly and that it is not broken. If you have another device that you can connect it to, check the connection and see if the problem is associated with your specific iPhone or if it is associated with the adapter. As long as the adapter allows you to connect the respective device that you want to use, you will be able to use a standard OTG cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.